Here we're looking at GLD. We are seeing prices really run sideways still. We're not seeing any big break to the downside just yet, but this is an area we talked about that prices should try to hold around this 101 level. I still think that traders need to be careful about going long right here because I do think it could make that last gasp. It really needs to hold this 100 to 101. I think if it breaks that, I think we could go into the 97 to 96 level, but that's where I think we see a bottom occur in the GLD, or at least I would be starting to get very long the gold sector. I would just prefer to see this sideways action kind of complete a little. As a matter of fact, it looks, you could see it triangle formation starting to happen as prices run sideways. And as I said many times, that's sometimes indicative of a four-wave correction, it's opposite. So we could see here's your three-wave, you're seeing your four. So we're expecting a five-wave. At least it makes sense based upon what we're looking at here. You could see it's been pretty dramatic, so I would expect it to kind of go into the target range or close to it. So I don't know if it's worth the risk to get positioned. We were seeing some gold stocks and silver starting to bounce here. I just don't think they're quite ready for that, or at least the risks are, certainly increasing here. And one would have to say that what in our count here, this was the three, that's your four, and that's your five. If this is really just kind of turning around, creating its next move. So the way I'm seeing this run sideways, it makes more sense that this may be a four and that five. So just keep that in mind in your trading.